the branding colors are all the same, so that's perfect.
I got a job offer at Wayne Sanderson Farms right out of college.
They're one of the biggest poultry suppliers for America. So we gotta find a house that's gonna be perfect for her.
In a house, I'm looking for a kitchen that is good for entertaining. I have a chocolate lab, her name is Daisy. She has been with me for 9 years. In my home, I'm looking to have a space specifically for her. She can hang out there during the day while I'm going to work.
What am I, like 2 minutes from here, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're turning here.
My all-in budget, I would like to stay under $200,000.
Which house are we gonna talk about? I don't know. I bet it's the one that's down this driveway.
Kendall is looking at houses with me.
This is the Holston house.
Oh, the house is really cute. It looks a little small from the front, though.
It's a petite house.
Well, I'll tell you how big it is. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 2,000 square feet, built in 1958 for Shorty and Jerry Holston, and it's listed for $115,000.
That's a good size for your first home.
Three.
I mean, it's just you and Daisy.
Yeah, it is just me and Daisy. But I like to have people over, so 3 bedrooms is plenty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this house has a little formal living room
It
in the
does.
front.
I love these floors.
Yep.
But
They look original.
this wall is, I guess, like paneling.
This would have been, you know, an unpainted knotty pine finish. And then somebody at some point has painted it and then did an antique finish on it.
Which was very popular in the early 2000s. It would serve you best if we just painted the walls, changed out the light, for a more modern country vibe. The oak floors are not throughout the house. It's in this front room, but it changes everywhere else.
You want to see what's in the rest?
Yeah, I kind of want to see what's in the rest.
Let's go look at it. Check out this huge kitchen.
It's a pretty classic 60s layout.
This obstructs the view for sure.
It was the thing in the 60s
Yeah.
when they built houses. Let's build cabinets that will block your view of the room. This is the kitchen the house has, and I think to make it bigger, if we lost this door in this corner here, since there's already access to that hall from the formal living room, and then you would have your oven where it is now, but the cabinetry would continue around that corner and wrap this wall. You would delete this little peninsula, delete the hang down. If we shifted this cased opening that direction, and it was all a big open bar where you can sit on the den side.
So it would be like open into the living space more. Okay,
Yes.
I like that.
Look at the size of this room.
Oh, this room is massive.
I could see us coming over a lot and hanging out in this space.
For sure.
In here we have more of that paneling, so we would paint that for you. Change out the lighting. Keep your oak in that front room and find a new flooring that is in harmony. We could then also build in like a little bar.
Yeah.
So what does that make the total?
This would be about $15,000 back here. The entire renovation that we've talked about would be $80,000. House is listed for $115,000, so you'd be all in at $195,000.
It's always good to come under
Yeah.
budget a little.
Yes.
That's nice.
Okay, so let's go look at another house
Okay.
that I think you could also love.
This one's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,900 square feet. We think you could get this one for $120,000.
Okay. That's comparable to
Yeah.
It's very white.
the same color.
However, there is one thing. Check this out. Look at the floor.
Hardwoods.
Yeah, we feel pretty sure the floors are oak throughout.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
I like the fireplace. It's a good focal point for you.
Love a good fireplace, a place to hang my Christmas stockings.
Yeah, this fireplace I feel like is
Fancy.
A little ornate.
I was gonna say a little extra.
it is a little extra, and I'm not sure that it actually works.
So we could make the fireplace beautiful, pull down the acoustic tile, paint, pull up the carpet.
Let's talk about a room that doesn't need carpet, never had it, not gonna have it.
This is the dining room, that's the kitchen.
It's a little small.
It's a little small, and the setup is a little like weird.
And the dining room feels a little bit compact too. You want to have lots of parties and people over. If you open up this cased opening a little further so it's more centered in the room, I think that would make it feel a little better. In this hallway beside the dining room, there's a tiny little linen closet. We could steal that linen closet and have a built-in bar buffet space here in the dining room.
which would give you all the storage you need for your charcuterie boards. And in the kitchen,
If you lost the door and you lost the window and you had custom cabinetry that wrapped the whole room, do your refrigerator on the left side of the room. You could have your oven and hood vent on the center of that back wall. Keep your sink where it is under the window. Keep a peninsula here, but with better materials all the way around. And then the floors, I think it would be pretty to have a patterned concrete tile.
I love that. It makes it fit me a lot more.
What is this?
Bar stools.
You are a way better drawer than me.
Hey, y'all!
Hey!
What are you
Did you
doing?
bring the charcuterie board?
I did. We're celebrating.
We're celebrating. Is it someone's birthday?
No, it's
I bought
not.
a house.
You bought a house.
You bought a house.
What house?
This house.
Oh, the Holston house.
Dude, that's so exciting.
I'm so excited.
Yay! Okay, wait, before we eat, why this house?
I love how the kitchen is like in the middle of the house.
She's planning on having lots of friends over, lots of entertaining. She wants the kitchen to be the heart of the home.
And the yard. The yard just brings so much privacy.
I get it. Whoa, there's something.
It is just nails.
It looks like nails.
Like, it is hilarious the way y'all are troubleshooting how to get that cabinet down.
Oh, well, look at that. All right. Yeah.
You're just taking hammers and like,
That is impressive.
thing's really on there. Y'all have college degrees and you're in there hitting it with like sharp rocks.
Fire back.
Look how good that looks already.
That door is gone. That's
The door is
exciting.
gone. Right now, it's an empty box. You know, it's just a room. Could be a living room. Could be any room. Ready?
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
Come on.
Wow, we have new sheetrock. So fresh.
I'm gonna give you some grace and take my time looking in Daisy's room.
Yeah, I mean, walk kind of slow. Look around. Check out that corner, how good everything looks over there.
That looks great.
Oh, shoot. Come on, Mr. Greg, get out.
More storage for Daisy.
What's taking you so long? How about
Wow. We have a kitchen.
Yes, we do.
Look at how great it looks.
We have the cabinets all painted, the countertops are in, the backsplash is almost done.
I don't typically see you use spacers on a tile.
Well,
like
these are
this.
actually wedges. This tile's like 3/8 of an inch thick. You feel how heavy that is?
That is
Very
crazy heavy.
Yeah,
I bet that weighs 3 pounds.
it does. So even though it's on a mat, it's what it's doing when I hang it. It's closing these grout lines. Gravity is not my friend on this one.
The gravity pulls the gaps together, so he's having to put spacers in every gap. Marissa's house is so friendly and warm and like modern country, and I like it.
She loves her vinyl.
She's got a pretty good collection. Oh yeah, my goodness. Hope we made it strong enough.
Okay. It's so pretty. Thanks. How many boards does she have?
She has a lot. She really wants to be the hostess with the mostest. This house is totally set up for that.
That's
That's
the
her
spot
perch.
where she's like welcoming.
Marissa's job is what brought her to Laurel. And I hope that this house is what makes her want to stay here in Laurel. I hope that she's gonna have so many great memories here. So many friendships are gonna really blossom in this house.
Welcome to the Landon house.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh,
Wow.
I love it so much. That new front door.
It's the best thing.
It is so welcoming. The door was hidden previously and it's not hidden now, and it says, welcome in.
The landscaping cleanup was the really big change out
The
here.
grotto's gone.
I know.
The grotto
The
is
grotto's
gone.
gone.
Concrete molehill.
That was a monster. It is so much more welcoming than what it was before.
You haven't noticed the one thing I hoped you would notice the first time.
Lucy. Oh, I love it.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's so cute.
It is so cute. It's so different. Oh my gosh. I love this color so much.
It's your same paneling, we just painted it, and a new light fixture, a new front door makes the whole room feel brighter.
It does.
It
It
does.
opens it up a lot. I love it. Are these my records?
We wanted to make, like, do you have a use for a formal living room? Not really.
No.
It's
I
your
love
listening
that.
room now.
It is my listening room.
And look, you have somewhere to store them.
I love that.
I want to
This is
know
so cool.
everything about this piece.
Okay.
So tell us
Erin
now.
had
Oh, so
lots
you
of
made
questions.
this?
You built that.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
It's cool, isn't it?
That is so cool.
You know where that wood came from?
I don't have a clue where it came from.
That wood came from Camp Polywiggle.
It came from the camp. Oh my goodness.
It's a sinker cypress. And so you see how the colors changed and everything in it. And so we use that for the drawer fronts. Perfect storage for records.
It is the perfect storage
Yep.
for records, and I'll need
Man.
plenty of that.
Not just record storage. Lucy's outfit.
Lucy's wardrobe storage too. I love that so much. This is beautiful, Viv.
No, this is really cool.
One of the most unique things that we've ever built. And it turned out awesome.
Lucy's had her moment. Time for Daisy's moment.
Yeah, you want to go see Daisy's dorm room?
Let's go.
Daisy's dormer.
Oh my goodness. This looks so good. This is so practical.
Yeah. And Daisy has a home for while you're at work.
Look at that.
Look at the little plaque.
Oh my goodness. That is so cute. I love that. I love that I can sit down and put my shoes on and leave her for the day.
See you later.
Dutch door.
That's perfect.
Yep.
The cutest dog gate. Show them the other super hidden secret
Oh, yeah.
special.
I love extra special hidden secrets.
What is that cabinet door there?
This one? That's perfect. Perfect for her dog food.
See what that drawer is down there?
That
Holy
is
smokes.
perfect.
Everybody loves a custom secret compartment, don't they? She's gonna show it off to everybody that walks in that room. She's gonna be like, look at this.
You have all the storage for everything. Daisy, your charcuterie.
No way. This is not charcuterie.
Sorry.
This is strictly Daisy.
With your house, we wanted to really focus on personalizing it with built-ins. So you'll see more of that.
I love that.
Let's keep going.
All right, let's go.
Okay, here is your house portrait, but I added Lucy because she had to be there, obviously.
She looks
That's
so
really
good.
cute.
But look at this.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. This looks so different and so great though. It is so open and there's plenty of space for everybody.
Yep.
I love that.
I don't even feel like I'm in the same house though.
No, not
It
at
was
all.
so dark. It was closed off with the wall that hangs in your face, and then
The midriff.
So much storage.
it's super bright and clean and fresh. The perfect place for entertaining.
I love the uppers white and the lowers color.
Yeah.
Love that.
Look at all of this custom built in. Here's your oven and your microwave oven.
I am
Wow, this is
excited
really
to
nice.
bake. There's so much space in that kitchen. I'm like still blown away.
You have the door to the
I
hallway
did.
right there.
Like it seems like that door was like never
Yeah,
here.
it doesn't feel like the same house. This just makes so much more sense, especially for you.
Now that it's opened up, it's more like a welcoming and a gathering place.
It's now the heart of the home.
It is now the heart of the home. It used to be the midriff of the home, and now it's the heart of the home.
Storage for all your charcuterie needs.
I love it, and I
Oh,
love
we've
the.
got even more.
There's more.
There's more.
Charcuterie
There's
storage.
more.
Dang.
We'll get there.
Yeah.
Where is it?
I know.
I'm like,
Where are we gonna
I'm
put it?
waiting.
Let's go to the living room.
I thought this was it.
Come
did
look in
too.
here.
Kendall hadn't quit looking for the charcuterie store.
This is where you can keep your charcuterie. No.
Nope, wait, it's coming.
Okay. Look at all
This
this
is where you
storage
can
for your
do your
charcuterie. No.
Still coming.
Look at this. This house is the party house.
Yep.
This looks so good.
Yeah.
I feel like this is just the right amount of like feminine and decorative, but not too much.
I think it's perfect, and I love the fireplace. That is awesome.
Do you recognize it?
She probably doesn't know it.
I don't recognize
You
it.
don't?
This was also at Camp Polywiggle. And when we were looking around with your aunt, we found this, and she said, yeah, you can take it. And so we pulled it out, brought it to the house. We built this.
Oh, good
I did
project.
just the log part and the
It
inside.
looks so good. That's gonna be great
cool.
for a Christmas stocking.
Yep, exactly.
That's exactly
In the
what
other
I...
house we looked at, you said
I love
it'd be
that
so
about
great for
the
Christmas
Christmas
stockings.
stockings.
We couldn't give you an actual fireplace, but we could give you a visual anchor in the living room because it felt so long and like there was something missing.
I needed a focal point.
It's very woodsy, and I feel like that's my vibe.
That's what I was going for.
love
Modern country.
What was it you kept asking about?
Charcuterie storage.
We
Charcuterie
need
store. Where are we gonna
charcuterie
put it?
storage.
Last but not least,
Charcuterie
this is where you
storage.
keep your charcuterie storage.
Will that work?
That will work. Look at this.
We wanted to give you some bar storage here, so when you're entertaining, this is the charcuterie
Station.
and bar station.
Plenty of storage.
You have wine chiller, you have
Love that.
plenty of storage down here, just a touch of wallpaper.
The lights are my favorite thing.
Like we were talking about in Daisy's room, giving you these custom built-ins that personalize your house that people will remember.
This is definitely memorable.
Well, Mallory made a beautiful charcuterie board.
Mallory did such a great job. I
looks
love
good.
it.
If we're gonna have a charcuterie board, let's have one.
All right.
I want to tell you something exciting about your house. It didn't give us 1 minute of trouble.
Thank goodness.
Not
Nothing
a
went wrong.
single board. The house cost $115,000. The renovation was $80,000. So all in $195,000.
Under budget.
Under budget
Yes.
without a surprise.
Thank you.
That calls for a charcuterie celebration.
Yes.